Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can import data from Tally to QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, open your Tally software and go to the module you want to export, such as accounts, masters, or vouchers. From there, use the export option and choose the format as Excel or CSV. If you're exporting masters like ledgers, stock items, customers, or suppliers, you can use XML or Excel. And if you're exporting vouchers or transactions, Excel or CSV is the best option. Save the exported file on your computer for the next step. After that, open the exported file in Excel and review the data carefully. Clean up any unnecessary information and adjust the columns so they match the format required by QuickBooks, such as customer name, vendor name, chart of accounts, product or service details, and opening balances. Then, log in to your QuickBooks account. If you're using QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon in the top right corner, select Import Data, and choose what type of data you want to import, like customers, vendors, chart of accounts, products, invoices, or bills. Upload the cleaned Excel or CSV file, map the columns from your file to the correct QuickBooks fields, and confirm the import. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, go to File, then Utilities, then Import, and select Excel files. From there, choose the type of data you want to bring in, map the fields, and complete the import process. Finally, verify the imported data by checking your customers, vendors, and chart of accounts inside QuickBooks. Run reports like trial balance, balance sheet, or profit and loss to confirm the accuracy of your records. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.